just go ahead and enjoy a lot of the sunshine. That's what we had for today. Maybe a nice bird, right? You can let it enjoy the glorious conditions on outside. We did see a few clouds, though, pop up out over toward the mountain communities, all because of some tropical air. But guess what, folks? That is going to begin to leave, and we should see drier conditions in store as we wrap up the end of the work week. For today in El Cajon, getting to 87 degrees. I had forecast at 88, so just off there right at around 1. Mostly cloudy skies for us now as we continue to deal with the juicy air mass. You can see our dew point now into the lower 60s. It will fall, though, into the upper 50s, meaning finally comfortable conditions on outside. It's going to be quick, though, because then a tropical wave is forecasted to move through by the time we get to Sunday and Monday, increasing the moisture yet again. So the reason that we're really dealing with the same pattern is this area of high pressure, really stubborn, not going anywhere, continues to produce a lot of that shower activity out over toward Arizona. In fact, they're going to see anywhere from a few hundredths of an inch to over an inch of rainfall. But it looks like it's going to stay out of our area. We're just going to be dealing with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to fall slightly. We'll see them about 2 degrees cooler along the coastline, 1 degree cooler for inland communities for us. Here's your humidity forecast. Noticing at 8 a.m. a lot of the 90% range along the coastline. Inland areas like you out over toward Poway, about 79%. Fast forward now and into Thursday. This is when the drier air will finally begin to move in. Guess what, folks? No longer dealing with 79% in Poway. You only have 66%. And the coastline and oceanside, instead of the 90s, you're at about 83%. Continuing to deal with that arid air mass moving through on into Friday. The humidity values fall even lower, about 50% free for inland areas, and now nudging down to around 86% down towards San Diego. Replacing the moisture will be the wind. So tomorrow, a little muggy. Winds 10 miles per hour. It's Thursday. We see the drier conditions and the winds pick up. About 12 miles per hour out toward Del Mar. Winds are forecasted to peak at around 1 o'clock. You can see 15 up through Poway, 14 into Escondido. The winds dying down for us as we head through Thursday night and then increasing yet again on Friday as we stay with that dry air and breeze. 7-day forecast, 76 degrees free for the next 2 days. Plenty of sunshine, and then when that tropical moisture returns on Sunday, 78 and muggy. Inland 86 degrees, beautiful, not as muggy Thursday and Friday, and before the humidity arrives yet again on Sunday. The mountains 86 degrees, slightly cooler, not as sticky for you on Thursday. The desert's 106 degrees. That's about 2 degrees cooler than where you were today, and the humidity and temperatures return on the high side at around Sunday. Guys, back to you.
Thank you so much, Sabrina.